What is up, boys? Welcome back. We are back with another vlog. We just drove through Siesta Key and it is packed, like crazy packed. Already, you know, we have daddy's money accusations, which are true. I'm sure the rental accusations will come, but you can't even rent a car under 25, so whatever. But nevertheless, I'm gonna get some driving in for you. We're just gonna kind of troll the spring breakers a little bit. As you can see, we kind of make them mad. I've gotten, like, I remember last weekend, like, hella comments, people saying, oh, there's an F8 Tributo over there. Hella comments saying, you know, oh, it's daddy's money, it's rented. It's like, yeah, well, it's not rented, but it definitely is daddy's money. But let's get some driving on the road.
Rear key.
sun is just gorgeous, peeking through the little bit of clouds, but man, it is windy out today. So this restaurant in the corner over here gets pretty busy. Bigger here than the little Siesta Key strip is, so maybe it's the same, maybe a little bit more, looks more busy over there though. Just kind of checking out both places. But compared to Siesta, which is a lot more people our age and or around the same age, but I like this area a lot better than over there. Yeah, it doesn't seem too busy yet. It's crazy how light out it is too. It's 8 o'clock at night and it's still super light out. 7:40, so close enough, right? Restaurants over here are way better too than Siesta. The only reason we go to Siesta is because we know there's people our age at Siesta. So we'll probably head back over to there since it's not that busy here yet. But they put these massive speed bumps in, which I guess that helps for some reason. The ones before were just like Alright boys, we got some photographer guys in front of us. They're gonna do some filming out of that 4Runner, which is so nice that we have that little little back.
Bro, if they fall out, it's not on us, bro.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna have to keep my game on so I can like dodge it, but that's so sick that they have like, they'll have to hold the trunk open the whole time. You just do it like right out the back like that.
Yeah, dead ass, but.
So we're gonna go loop around this little parking little roundabout up here, because it would be, you can't even turn left out of here anyways. The person who just ran around is probably like, what the fuck are they doing?
They don't know what they're saying right now. Yo, some person just drifted.
Yeah, I heard that. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's the RV. He's about to pull in with us.
The red one?
Yeah.
Oh, that C6 was crazy loud.
Bro, it literally sound like gunshots.
Oh yeah, yeah, that is. Yeah, that's just an R8 with a wing on it. That's, I don't think that's a GT. Damn, that's another door. Oh my gosh, what the hell is he doing?
Bro, this is like a
He's like trying to hit the other guy.
Bro.
Hopefully they get some good shots.
Hopefully, bro.
I'm gonna blow out some people's eardrums.
Oh shit, yo, they're teaming up, bro.
I better be mogging in this, bro. Getting
Bro.
all the good crap. Oh my gosh, we got like 3 cameras on us. Dude, we're like famous. This is so gnarly. Hell yeah, bro. This is so sick.
Bro.
Wow. And they're doing this for free too, so that's so nice. of
Really?
them. Yeah.
Oh shit.
So it's just so nice of them to be able to do that for us.
Yeah, they're gonna get some crazy shots right now.
Yeah. I hope, bro, these better turn out good. Not like I had anything else to do anyway, so. They're going to the same place we were planning on going for pictures, which is nice.
Yo, kid on the right's locked in.
I know.
Dog, he's so locked in.
It's like, I gotta get the shot. I'm trying to stay. famous.
Holy shit. Bro.
We got a whole paparazzi squad on us. Shout out to these guys. That's Caleb Captures and Hayes Media for doing this for us. I don't know who the guy on the left locked in to the max is, but
Very generous of them to be doing this shit.
dude, we gotta like, imagine we went through Siesta Key and we just had this going on.
Bro. Hopefully the cops don't say anything about this shit.
Yeah.
3 kids hanging out of their car.
Yeah. I'm just gonna stay as close as possible to them.
Side K-band.
Hell yeah, this is so gnarly, dude.
Hell yeah.
Even this guy, bro, he's locked into the max too.
Bro, he is like,
These guys are probably getting pictures easier. He has to like,
bro, he's
hang
like,
outside. And he's getting his parents to drive him too, which is so sick.
that's his parents?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
pretty sure.
shit.
Unless it's, I remember last time it was his parents.
Bro, no, this is. Oh, now it's gonna be scenic, bro. It's like nature in the background.
Hey, can you get some face shots for my Instagram? Face shots of me? I'm like logging color right now. I know that truck.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, it's that gray, fucking gray right there.
No, it's probably the sign. The signs go off too. Some of them.
No, signs are cave-in.
No, these signs go
No,
off.
it's oh, wait. Yeah, no, you're right, you're right.
Yeah. See, bro, I don't know how loud that actually is because we're inside the car, and I haven't really been outside this car. It's like all cars are louder on the outside than actually being on the inside of it.
What'd he say? Oh, yo. Those bitches looking at us, bro.
Hey, mama.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
I feel my heart's warm now, bro. Yeah, thank you, thank you.
What do you do for a living, bro? Yo.
Yo, daddy's money.
No, I just want to just say some bullshit, bro.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I sell cucumbers for a living.
Yeah, right? Nah, if people actually do ask, like, what do you do for a living? I always say, like, yeah, it's my dad's car. But, like,
Bro.
I'm not, if she's, like, nice car, I'm not going to be like, oh, it's my dad's. Like, that's just charm.
Yeah.
Let's just drop auto a little bit.
Yo, bro, this guy in the Kia thinks we're recording him, bro.
Dude, that's fucking nuts. That's so sick.
Thank
Bro,
you, dude.
does this shoot flames?
What?
Does this shoot flames?
No, I'm renting.
Oh, fire, fire. Yo, push it a little.
Let's see if he comes.
Nah.
Hey, at least he's honest. No, here he comes.
Yeah. Oh, yep. There he goes. Hey, at least he rented. Like, bro.
Down like that is so sick.
Yeah, it's fire. Oh, he's turning.
I remember our orange 720, like the wing would just like straight straight up when you brake hard.
Yeah. I remember I'm actually like happy he admitted that was a rental.
Yeah.
There's still hope in society.
Think it's stock?
Yeah.
That car's got to be heating up in the sun.
Honestly. Yeah, all black.
This thing's like a spaceship, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Just take off. I heard the 765 is like super fast.
Yeah. It's like,
But yeah, props to him for saying he rented it.
but think about it, out of all the cars you rent, McLaren.
Well, then you don't have to worry about it breaking down, right? It's not your car.
Yeah, true.
Rear K-man.
I don't know, maybe I'll just take the Z06 out tonight.
I mean, yeah, I get this car a break a little.
But like, the last time I drove it too was like last Saturday, so we only drive it like about only on the weekends now, so. All right, boys. So we just got back. I hope I got good footage for you. I know I said I was going to try and make it an hour, but that's because we were going to try and take this out and film at night. And now it's fun to take out, don't get me wrong, but like we're getting to the higher mileage, and I'm not trying to even make an excuse, but that's not really the reason why. But we got to the higher mileage, and I know like this isn't high for a normal car, but for this car, we're kind of high. We're around 17,500 miles on this, because we drive it all the time, stuff like that, and I really drove it hard today, so I kind of want to give it a rest tonight. And another reason too is like there's a lot of people we meet out in Siesta, a lot of like super cool people, and I got friends that go out there and stuff. And like if people want to ride and stuff, like with the Ferrari, I got to be like, don't touch this, make sure you knock off your feet, all that. Whereas like in the Corvette, I'm just like, yeah, go ahead, get in, because like the full thing's PPF'd on the Corvette, so that's nice. You know, you don't have to worry as much as people scratching. But this is only front PPF, so that's where it comes in. It's like I gotta be really careful, and I can take the roof off in this, which is so nice because it is a gorgeous day out here, as you guys can see, absolutely gorgeous. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna actually film with this one tonight. We're just popping out YouTube videos. You guys gotta drop some ideas. What do you guys want to see more of? A12, Z06. What do you guys want to see me do with them? That's not like, you know, $100,000 in carbon fiber or something like that. But yeah, just let me know.